Look guys, my selfie stand is following me. Wow. Hi friends, I just want to share with you my favorite selfie stick. So this selfie stick has an auto face tracking. It is a tripod and it is 360 rotating. It will rotate 360. I will show you in a little bit. This is an auto tracking phone stand. You don't need an app to use this. So you just put your camera here, and then with the gesture of your hand, you can control this selfie stick. This is the remote control for this tripod. And this is the button here for turning it on and off. That's off, down, up is on. And you have this for the camera for iOS and a button for the Android. It's called remote shutter. This is rechargeable on this side here. And you can use this when you are live streaming. It will automatically follow you. Or if you video call someone, you can just put it wherever you want to put it and it will follow you automatically. If you do live streaming on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, it will follow you automatically. You don't have to move this wherever you go. You just put it here and it will follow you. So let's turn it on. This is where you turn it on. This part here. See? And then if you go picture, ding, hi, it will follow you automatically with just the gesture, hand gesture. And then hold on. See, without holding the phone, it will follow you automatically. Excuse the mess. So I do a lot of video calls with my family in the Philippines. We video call every day. So I use this, and when I'm doing kitchen chores or house chores, I'll just leave it here on the counter and I just do my work and it will follow me automatically wherever I go. The other side of the kitchen and the other side of the kitchen, back and forth, it will follow me. See? And then there's a light here. If you do recording, you can turn this light on here. It's like a ring light, but you don't need a ring light to do it because it already has light in here. See? And then you can remove this base. The base is removable. If you want to put it on your longer selfie stick stand, you can remove it. You can unscrew it and put it or attach it to your long selfie stick or selfie stand, phone stand. It's beautiful. And if you do writing, if you do some writings, you just flip it like that and you write, you record and you write, or write like this. So if you're a content creator, I would recommend this selfie stick. It's very handy. It's not too big. You can take it anywhere you want, everywhere you want. And see? So this is this phone is the 16. So for sure all the smaller phones would work on this selfie stick. So this size and this size, it's still following me even if I'm not doing the camera. This is turn on. So one more thing is, if you are sitting, you put the camera like that, and if you're standing, you push it up. There you go. It's easier for the camera to follow you. There, see that? Let me see. It's easier for the camera to follow you when the sensor is pushed up. But if you are sitting down, you just push it down and it will follow you automatically. See how neat that is? Thank you very much for watching. So I will put the link on this. I bought this from Amazon. Yay! And you can turn it off if you're not using it anymore. There you go.